I haven't seen you in ages. Where have you been? I mean, like, I've been calling you, texting you, and everything. Now, where were we?
Hey man, how are you doing today?
How you doing?
Man, I'm doing fine.
Great.
Achoo. That's awesome, dude. Achoo.
I haven't seen you in ages. Where have you been? Anyways, still nice to have a friend over. Hi! And yes, guys, I do have a bird. It's very annoying. Doesn't let us do videos. He's so adorable. Guys, I actually hurt myself really bad. I hit my head so hard on the head.